Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to appear offline in Fortnite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're wondering whether Fortnite has an option to appear offline, the short answer is no. Fortnite doesn't have an official offline mode that allows you to appear as if you're not online to your friends while still playing the game. However, there are a couple of options you can use to adjust how you appear to others to manage your status in Fortnite. Starts by opening the social hub. You can do this by clicking on your avatar, which is located in the top left corner of the main menu screen. Once you've clicked on your avatar, it will bring up your online profile and options. Click on your avatar again to access the online status settings. Here you will see two available status options: online and away. If you select online, your friends will be able to see that you're actively playing Fortnite, and they can send your invites, messages, or join your game. On the other hand, selecting away will indicate that you're not available, which may reduce the number of invites or messages you receive. However, even if you are set to away, your friends will still see that you're in the game. So this doesn't fully hide your presence like an offline mode would. It's important to note that these are the only two options that provides for managing your visibility to others. Unlike some other games that let you appear fully offline while still playing, Fortnite doesn't yet have that feature. To further mask your appearance, you can also consider setting your party join ability to invite only. So that's basically how you can appear offline in Fortnite. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.